Taxes. Do I need to file taxes? Under 65, make more than $14,600 pre-tax? You have to pay taxes. If you're 65 and older, and you have more than $16,550 pre-tax, you have to pay taxes. And kids can pay tax too. I was a kid once. Does that mean I could have gone to jail? Oh man, I'm so lucky I'm not in prison right now. Oh man, I never paid my taxes as a kid. Oh my gosh. Ooh. I also didn't have any income as a kid. If you're self-employed and earn $400 or more, you have to report to the IRS. Does that mean if I turn my YouTube channel into a full-time career, I could go to jail? Oh my gosh. I'm not ready for jail. What do I file? What indeed do you file? Duh. If you're not on your own, you need a W-2. And if you're doing freelance or you're self-employed, you need a 1099. That's what you need. How do I file? You do the thing, and then you follow it, or else you'll be in prison. Married, not married, have anybody else living with you. You can do it online, hire somebody to do your taxes, or you can mail it.